In this video, I will show you how to fix BattleNet installation error. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources to share with our viewers. So to get started, go ahead and right-click on the BattleNet installer and then select Run as Administrator. So this bypasses permissions issues that can block installation. Now, if this doesn't work, another thing you can do is to go ahead and clear BattleNet cache. So to do that, you need to click on the Windows button and the R button on your keyboard to be able to summon the run application. So in here, go ahead and enter %program data % and then press enter. Once done, click on that OK button and then this will pop on your screen. So in here, go ahead and delete the BattleNet and Blizzard Entertainment folders. This removes corrupted cache files that may be interfering with the installation process. And the last thing that you can do to be able to resolve the problem is to go ahead and temporarily disable antivirus or firewall. Some security software blocks the installer. Disable your antivirus or firewall temporarily and then try again. That is how you can basically fix BattleNet installation error. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources to share with our viewers.